Welcome to Market Profile Lesson Nuance 01, the hidden trend in rotation. In this lesson, you will learn that a market may appear balanced, but a transition to a trend is already underway internally. You will recognize subtle behavioral signals indicating that while price remains in rotation, value, specifically the point of control and value area, is quietly shifting. This nuance reveals how to read the transition from chop to trend before it manifests in price, and why this quiet phase often provides the greatest edge. One of the most dangerous market days is when it appears balanced, yet is actually shifting value in a direction not immediately obvious. A trader focusing solely on price action will be trapped in the illusion of balance. However, a trader who reads the auction context will recognize this transition not by price, but by market behavior. This nuance occurs when the TPO shape appears balanced, but the point of control migrates towards one extreme. Additionally, reactions to the value area high and low weaken or are absent, and the tempo of returns loses structure. As Jim Dalton wisely stated, what the market does not do is often more important than what it does. The market does not react to references, does not return to the previous auction, and does not rotate fully between extremes. Instead, the point of control quietly shifts, the value area tilts, and the auction ceases to be two-sided. This quiet change is the true transition into a trend. The long-frame participant is not yet outwardly active, while the short-term participant rotates, but is being pushed out. Returns to the center are short, weak, and uncontrolled, and the auction bias shifts without dramatic movement. A trend does not emerge through aggression. It emerges through the dominance of value. Specifically, observe the point of control stealthily shifting in the direction of the preferred side. After rotation, the market does not revert but remains higher or lower. Reference points like VH, VL, and prior highs or lows lose their relevance. The value area becomes slanted, not symmetrical, and the auction appears neutral, but the counterparty is missing. Where does classical reading fail? A trader waiting for a breakout will arrive too late. A trader trusting the profile shape, such as a D shape, might mistakenly consider the day balanced. And a trader who only reads price action, not value, will overlook the entire transition. The market does not shout, it whispers. A trend does not arise from panic, but from patience. Value does not argue, value simply leaves. Those who wait for confirmation trade a delayed signal. Those who read value migration trade reality in real time. In summary, point of control migration is the first sign of directional development. The absence of returns signifies the dominance of one side. Chop without rotation is not chop, it is a transition. The greatest edge arises not at the breakout moment, but when most traders are still unaware.